The Supreme Court's three-judge bench of Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta and N.V. Anjaria have reserved their order in the stray dog Supreme Court case. The hearing followed widespread protests against the top court's order directing the blanket removal of Delhi stray dogs from all NCR localities. The bench asked why authorities in several areas started picking up the animals even before the earlier order became public. The Supreme Court also came down heavily on the authorities for not implementing guidelines for animal control, leading to this situation. The hearing saw a highly charged debate as senior advocate Kapil Sibal argued that the August 11th order should be stayed, warning that forcing all dogs into shelters could lead to cruelty, culling and public health risks. Meanwhile, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta said that more than 37 lakh dog bites are reported in India annually and highlighted the public safety concerns driving the Supreme Court order on stray dogs, arguing that the order to shift all stray dogs in Delhi NCR cannot be implemented. Sibal said this order does not apply because there are no shelter homes. The order said stray dogs must not be released. This too does not apply because there are no shelter homes. The order to pick up stray dogs must also be stayed. Where will they be taken, quote unquote? Well, senior advocate Abhishek Singhvi, meanwhile appearing for one of the petitioners, said all directions in the August 11th order put cart before the horse. Justice Nath came down heavily on civic authorities and said that Parliament frames rules and laws, but they are not implemented. Anupam Tripathi, animal rights activist, is joining us live. Dr. Anil Singh, owner of Creative Veterinary Hospital, Ghaziabad, is with us. Dr. Avnish Narayan Mathur, animal rights activist, joins us live. Kamna Pandey, co-opted member, AWBI, is also with us on the broadcast. Thank you all for being with us today on NewsX. Let me make a start with you first. Anupam Tripathi, how do you react to this, this hearing today in this case? The order, of course, has been reserved, but some of the observations, of course, give us an idea of what that final order could be in this matter.
Well, you see, the initial, when the orders of the Supreme Court came, I'm talking about 3 days back, they were very unfortunate. And it just doesn't make sense. You cannot pick up 3 lakh dogs from the streets of Delhi and put them in a pound. It requires infrastructure, it would require feeding cost, and it's just not possible. It hasn't been possible for all this while. Wherever they have tried it in various other countries, they have failed. So this is, this was just a very bad order and a bad solution to an existing problem, which obviously needed a challenge. And I'm happy with whatever that's happening now with Kapil Sibal and Abhishek Manu Singhvi and everybody challenging this. And I'm hoping that, better sense, common sense will prevail. And people who actually understand how, what this situation is to do with dogs, how, they would, be able to provide better solutions to the court.
Dr. Anil Singh, let me also draw you in here. Dr. Anil Singh, what do you believe could be a middle ground? Because that is something, of course, that the Apex Court is hoping for. What do you believe could be a middle ground in this matter?
Sorry, आवाज clear नहीं है sir.
Dr. Anil Singh, मैं कह रहा हूँ बीच का रास्ता क्या हो सकता है? What can be a middle ground in this case? That is what the that is what these petitioners who asked for a review are hoping for.
बीच का रास्ता सर ये सबसे ये जो रास्ता है जो है गवर्नमेंट को कहना है इस चीज के लिए अवेयरनेस और ये सारी चीजें कराना चाहिए। और सबसे ज्यादा ये है कि सर एकदम से अगर ये गवर्नमेंट ये कहती है कि भाई हम सभी डॉग्स को एक साथ में जाके यहाँ पे ऐसे शेल्टर्स में रखते हैं, गवर्नमेंट्स के पास एक भी शेल्टर तो है नहीं अभी। ऐसा जैसा सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने जो फैसला किया वो तो मैं तो नहीं मानता उस चीज में कि भाई उसके फेवर में है ना, एज ए डॉक्टर। क्योंकि सर बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं, क्योंकि बहुत सारे डॉग्स होते हैं जो सिक एनिमल्स भी होते हैं, हेल्दी होते हैं, तो एकदम से आप शेल्टर आपके पास व्यवस्था है नहीं, तो उस चीज पे पहले एक छोटे लेवल्स पे एबीसी का प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया जाए गवर्नमेंट्स की तरफ से, जैसे स्टरलाइजेशन हो, पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल होगी, देन फिर उसके बाद आप एक गवर्नमेंट एक ऐसा सेंटर प्रोवाइड करे जिसमें हेल्दी एनिमल्स को अलग से, एक्सीडेंटल केसेस भी होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, तो एकदम से नहीं हो पाएगा सर, है ना।
जी, Dr. Avnish Narayan Mathur is also with us now. Dr.